Welcome to the Elon Musk Signal Channel. Despite successfully connecting with the International Space Station, ISS, on June 6, accompanied by experienced astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, Starliner's joy was short-lived. Persistent technical issues continued to haunt the mission. Starliner's propulsion system suffered from a serious helium gas leak, necessitating deep investigation and repairs, which further delayed its return to Earth multiple times. These prolonged technical challenges, coupled with unresolved malfunctions, have placed Boeing in a precarious position, highlighting significant hurdles facing the Starliner project. In this launch, did NASA underestimate the severity of the issues with Starliner? Join us as we explore this in the video. Boeing's Starliner was once hailed as a pioneering symbol of innovation in space travel, promising to revolutionize NASA's commercial astronaut program. However, from its development phase onward, Starliner has faced a series of significant setbacks, raising questions about its future. Technical glitches have plagued Starliner during development and operation, resulting in numerous delays and increased costs. Beyond serious technical issues affecting the spacecraft's reliability, Starliner has also shaken confidence in Boeing's ability to deliver a safe and dependable vehicle. The prolonged series of delays and Starliner's return trips to Earth mark a significant setback for a test flight already beset with challenges, aimed at competing with SpaceX's Dragon crew capsule. Currently, NASA and Boeing engineers will need additional time to address these issues. While asserting the ability to safely return astronauts to Earth in emergencies, Starliner is currently designed to dock the International Space Station for up to 45 days, June 6th onwards. NASA's repeated delays in allowing Starliner to return raise many questions about the spacecraft's operational readiness. In press briefings since Starliner's connection with the ISS, officials have consistently downplayed the severity of the issues without providing clear explanations for why they are hesitant to allow Starliner to complete its return journey under normal conditions. Even with the propulsion system incident, NASA maintains that Starliner can adequately protect astronauts during landing. However, this has left the public questioning whether Starliner is facing more serious issues than what has been disclosed. NASA is conducting a comprehensive review of Starliner, similar to the procedures carried out before the SpaceX Crew Dragon Demo 2 spacecraft safely returned astronauts to Earth after 2 months in orbit. This assessment aims to officially certify Starliner's readiness to continue operations as planned, including its capability to serve as an emergency escape vehicle for the ISS, or to rescue astronauts if any part of Starliner, such as its solar panels, shows early signs of malfunction. This scrutiny is understandable given that Starliner's mission timeline has been extended beyond initial expectations. While SpaceX's Demo 2 mission proceeded smoothly, Starliner has encountered technical issues during its crewed test flight. Unlike the uncertainty surrounding Starliner's return schedule, NASA had set a return date for the SpaceX Crew Dragon crew in 2020. However, the actual timeframe was extended by an additional 62 days, due to astronauts needing to assist with repairs during a personnel shortage on the ISS. In the event that Starliner cannot fulfill its mission to return astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams to Earth, the contingency plan would rely on SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft. This vehicle successfully transported 4 astronauts to the International Space Station in March and is capable of carrying additional personnel in emergency. While this scenario is considered less likely, it would certainly pose challenges for Boeing. Nonetheless, NASA officials, along with Boeing and their experienced engineering team, have not confirmed that Starliner's current issues are severe enough to warrant activating the contingency plan. If the scenario where Starliner cannot complete its mission occurs, the fate of the spacecraft will depend on various factors, including the severity of the technical issues. In contrast, SpaceX's Crew Dragon is highly regarded for its reliability. SpaceX has established itself as a stalwart in the aerospace industry, particularly renowned for safely transporting astronauts for both routine and emergency missions. Their reputation for reliability and astronaut rescue capabilities is built on the continuous success of the Falcon 9 rocket and Crew Dragon spacecraft. the continuous malfunctions of the Starliner spacecraft indicate a more serious situation than anticipated. The initial test launch mission scheduled for May 6th was abruptly canceled due to a malfunction in the pressure-regulating valve on the upper stage of the Atlas V rocket. This incident forced a last-minute mission abort. Subsequently, on June 1st, just before launch, another critical issue arose. Faulty control card in the ground sequencing system led to an automatic delay. This represents a significant technical flaw requiring immediate resolution. Engineers identified the problem in the power supply unit of one of the ground control computers, necessitating equipment replacement before any further launch attempts could proceed. Despite overcoming these initial setbacks, Boeing ultimately successfully launched Starliner on June 5th from Kennedy Space Center at Cape Canaveral. The issues with Starliner not only expose technical difficulty, but also reflect deeper issues in decision-making and management processes within both Boeing and NASA. The delayed launches due to similar gas leakage incidents highlight a troubling pattern of recurring technical errors. The decision to proceed with spacecraft launches despite known issues indicates a diminished assessment of Starliner's vulnerabilities, raising serious questions about the program's risk assessment procedures. To address these challenges, Starliner will require closer oversight and face significant hurdles in regaining NASA's and public trust in the future. For NASA, Starliner's challenges hold strategic significance, particularly in terms of diversity, as NASA currently relies on SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft. If Boeing manages to overcome these obstacles, the company could reclaim its position, providing NASA with a diversified fleet of commercial crew transport vehicles, thereby increasing flexibility in mission planning. Currently, NASA is leveraging the extended stay of Starliner at the International Space Station to conduct mission-enhancing activities. Instead of proceeding with planned spacewalks, NASA prioritizes addressing other critical tasks at the ISS and completing preparations for safely returning crew members Butch and Son to Earth. Additionally, prolonging Starliner's time at the ISS presents an opportunity to activate spacecraft systems and gather valuable data on necessary upgrades for certified mission. NASA's extended retention of Starliner at the space station benefits both NASA and Boeing by allowing them to collect additional performance data for long-duration missions. The ultimate goal is for Starliner to execute operational missions, enabling astronauts to reside in orbit for up to 6 months. A successful Starliner program will benefit NASA by reducing dependence on a single provider, fostering innovation, and ensuring continuous access to the International Space Station. And those are the noteworthy updates featured in today's video. Please leave your comments on this broadcast episode and stay tuned for more anticipated events in upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to catch more exciting videos on the Elon Musk Signal channel. Goodbye, and see you again.